previous episode of My Little Pony. I was kidding. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that shit. A previous episode, I bought one of these things because, well, they work great. If you take the little, I don't even know if I have one here. And if you go on Amazon, you buy the big long brushes, you can polish stuff. They also are pretty easy to charge. The battery goes in there, and I don't know where the battery went, but oh wait, here I got one here. But this isn't about this video. But anyway, they have a. If you get the ones that have the little USB-C adapter, you can charge them. They don't last forever. They're not great, but I did. This video is going somewhere. Even though I use this, and I bought a batteries on sale, that was like what, $20 for two of them. I did buy this right here. This little gadget. It doesn't really stay in here, but what did I buy it for? It's a little brush. Honestly, I hope my biggest concern just takes the same as max speed. My only, well, see, it takes the same batteries as the other tool, so I got an extra battery with it. This one's a USB-C also. It's a Ryobi. I know they're not like high quality, fancy ass tools, but you know what? Ryobi does make a few cool things. I bought it because there's a piece of something I want to clean, but I'm like, it needs to be scrubbed, and I'm like, you know what? I like gadgets, and why not? Doesn't go too fast. You could do your doesn't really work. My only concern is buying new ones like this, buying new brushes, because if I don't find a new brush, then I'm screwed. The brush looks used because my son was playing with it. Yeah, he had a fun time with this. Oh, he's like, I'm cleaning the floor. So yeah, I bought this and this basically to clean something in my house that needs a little scrubby, and you don't feel like going like this with a. I mean, I could use one of, where is it? One of these suckers, but what would you choose? Especially the big space. I also got to get some stainless steel cleaner because I was still, so that's the one thing. My first review is, it's kind of small. It reminds me of all those personal massagers you see, but it doesn't vibrate, so it might only have twirly attachments if it was one. I know Ryobi makes different brushes because I don't know where they are. I bought some other kind of brushes I bought a bunch of brushes that are on drill, like the drill heads like this here, quick connects. I don't know where they went. My kids made those vanish. So I know I have some more. So I know Ryobi has some pretty cool things. But first impression, it's small, lightweight. It's good for doing small things. It's when you have two tools and you have multiple piles of lithium, it's pretty good. I think one battery would suck with this. I think I have like at least 6 batteries now. And like I said, I was originally using this. You can see it's got a lot of dirt on it. I was using this to clean off little dirty spots on some smaller parts. And if you get the little extended wire brushes, you can clean in a lot of spots. So that's pretty much my take. Little Ryobi. What is this called again? This is a Ryobi. What is it? FVM51. Made in China. This is a Ryobi FVG51 4-volt consumer power tools. There's a QR code you could probably scan. So anyway, this is the only 2 Ryobi tools I have. If I see anything else that takes little batteries, I'll do it. With that said, awesome little tool. I'll let you know how awesome this is. Which, it's a brush. Can't be that complicated. Can't be that unawesome. The brushes are soft, what I need, and when I clean the thing, it'll still be awesome. So with that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your lovers, your cousins, your dogs, cats, and all that. Toodles.